Hello, my name is Sean Bennett with MORI Building Company Limited. MORI Building is a property developer based in Tokyo, Japan. I'm currently the leasing manager for our local Mitra Panca Persada company here. We do have our Jakarta MORI office tower currently under development here in central Jakarta, which I'm very happy to introduce to you here during our virtual inspection. Jakarta MORI Tower will be an international standard premium grade A office tower. It'll bring a new level of quality specifications and features to the Jakarta office market. It's very well located here in central Jakarta on Sudirman, which is the main thoroughfare here running through the central of Jakarta's business district. We're also adjacent to the Semanggi interchange, which gives good access to all areas of the city, as well as outer areas, the airport and whatnot as well. We're approximately 130 meters from the MRT station, a 2-minute walk to the MRT station. The building itself will be 266 meters in height, 58 stories. Through to the 12th floor will be parking levels. The 13th level, where you can see the exterior patio area, that will be our F&B areas. 13th and 14th floor will have 2,300 square meters of F&B restaurant space available within the tower. And then from the 14th floor on upward will be available office space. It's a fully leased building, approximately 89,000 square meters of office space available for lease on an SGFA basis. The GFA for the building overall is approximately 130,000 square meters. The building features floor plates of approximately 21 to 2300 SGFA basis, a very open, flexible floor plate. The building itself is BCA Green Mark Platinum certified, as well as WellCore Gold certified. The WellCore Gold certification is for health and wellness aspects of the building and for the comfort of those working within the building. Jakarta MORI Tower will be the first project in Indonesia to feature the WellCore Gold certification. We're very excited as our project approaches completion. We're eager to bring it to market, and I'm eager to show it to you. Please come inside with me. We're currently at the vehicle drop-off point to Jakarta MORI Tower, so visitors, when they first arrive, they'll either enter here off of Sudirman, our Sudirman entrance, or our Ben Hill access entrance. They'll go through their vehicle security checkpoint, and then from there they'll proceed through to the drop-off point. This will be the vehicle drop-off point as you enter the main office lobby. Follow me this way, please. Outside of the entrance, there will be an elevator hall that proceeds to our 13th floor F&B area. So visitors that are not going to the office itself, but to the F&B, they can access directly via this elevator system rather than proceeding through the office lobby. Please come with me, sir. This is the main front office lobby for Jakarta MORI Tower. It'll be a very clean, open design. Be a stone granite flooring. The walls, you can see some of the wall panels going up now. Glass fiber reinforced composite. The ceilings will be done in a similar shade, aluminum composite panels. We'll have a banking hall at the far end. Be a 10.5 meter ceiling height. The span from the core to the perimeter wall is 18.5 meters. Be a very clean, open, light, bright design. So lots of window space, lots of sunlight coming in and whatnot. So very, very open, welcoming lobby. So, this way, please. The tower itself will be divided into 3 separate office banks. So the first and second zones will be 15 floors, 14 floors, and then 10 floors. So the 8 elevators serving the first and second zones, and then a total of 6 elevators serving the third and highest zone. There'll be 3 reception desks. The main reception desk will be just as you enter the front office lobby. Visitors can check in there. We will have a visitor registration system for people coming to visit your offices here at Jakarta MORI Tower. We will be using facial recognition technology for convenience, security, and a touchless experience as you visit the tower here. This way, please. The far end will be our banking hall. It'll be a maisonette, two-story style banking hall, a total area of approximately 450 square meters, a banking hall space available there on the far end as well. And again, the lobby will have great visibility from Sudirman. We're directly on Sudirman, which is the main thoroughfare, the main road through the center of Jakarta's central business district. We'll be using a high-quality Mitsubishi high-speed elevator system here at Jakarta MORI Tower. It'll be a total of 8 lifts serving the lower and mid zones, and then 6 lifts serving our upper zone. The lifts, the average waiting time during peak rush hour periods, for example, will be range between 12 to 16 seconds. So a very efficient high-speed elevator service. As mentioned previously, for security, we'll be incorporating a facial recognition technology. In addition with that, we'll be using a DCS, destination control system, to manage the elevator. So as you pass through the security gate, it'll direct you to the correct elevator that'll most efficiently get you to your destination floor. So again, a very efficient, high-speed system. From the front office lobby here, we'll now proceed to one of our standard office floors to give you an overview of a standard floor plate, some of the features we can provide there, and give you an idea of the size and flexibility. Please come with me. As you arrive at your office floor, this is a standard elevator hall on our typical office floors, done in a gray marble flooring, lighter walled in marble. The lighting overhead is LED. As you enter, so it's a very large open floor plate. Standard floor plate is approximately 2,300 square meters on an STFA basis. It's a 3-meter ceiling height from the raised floor. It's a 10-centimeter raised floor to the ceiling. Our raised flooring is a Nichias product. It's a glass fiber reinforced concrete product, so it's a very solid raised flooring. It doesn't feel with any flex or whatnot, so very solid raised flooring. As you can see, it's a very open floor plate design. We're incorporating a side core building structure. So our spans from the core wall to the curtain wall is 18.5 meters, so a very wide open span. And then running the length along Sudirman is a total of 83 meters. So again, a very wide, open, flexible floor plate for your office design. Just another angle to give you an idea of the sense of scale and openness of the floor plate. Again, the span from the perimeter to the core wall is 18.5 meters. Then the distance from this end to the far end of the floor plate is 83 meters. So again, a very large open floor plate, very flexible for your floor plate design. Some of the features of our standard floor plate, our floor loading on the total area of the office floor, standard area, is 500 kilograms per square meter. That compares with most other grade A or premium grade A buildings in Jakarta are typically 250 to 300 kilograms per square meter. So us having 500 kilograms per square meter is quite a bit higher than the standard or other products in the Jakarta market. It attests to the quality of the building, the structure as well. In addition to that, we do have a heavy load zone surrounding the core with a floor loading of 800 kilograms per square meter. So again, a very sturdy structure, exceeds the typical product available in the Jakarta market. Some other features, our ceiling grid system, it's a modular system incorporating our lighting and ventilation sprinkler systems. For any partitioning you do, it's quite modular, it's quite convenient to adjust both lighting and ventilation for any partitioning you do within your office space. The lighting systems themselves are a highly efficient Panasonic LED system, a low flicker, so for eye comfort and whatnot. Attests to part of our WELL Core Gold health and wellness aspects of the building as well, certification, creating a more comfortable working environment for you and your employees. Two of the features of Jakarta MORI Tower are its BCA Green Mark Platinum sustainability rating, as well as WELL Core Gold health and wellness certification for the building. The WELL Core Gold certification in particular, that's focused on the health and wellness, the comfort of the employees working within the building to create a comfortable working environment. Jakarta MORI Tower will be the first building in Indonesia to receive that certification, so we're quite unique in the market in that sense as well. Related to our building sustainability and efficiency and whatnot. For example, our lighting units I referred to earlier, the perimeter, some of the perimeter units will incorporate daylight sensors as well, and so that'll balance the lighting levels generated from the lighting units with the amount of natural daylight coming in to maintain a comfortable, consistent level of lighting throughout the day. Some other features related to efficiency, and especially for companies that have divisions that come in early or work late, for example. The floor plate VAV air conditioning system will be divided into 30 to 33 individual zones. So if you do have departments that are coming in early or working late, rather than turning on a half floor plate or a full floor plate for your AC extended hours, for example, you'll have very minute control over what areas of the floor plate that you want to extend your air conditioning hours in. And that's all controllable by the tenant, by the user, via an online interface from their offices, so no need to contact the building management office or whatnot. It's all done via your PC, your computer, via an online interface. In those 30 to 33 zones, you'll be able to extend hours and adjust the temperature within those zones as well. So very convenient, efficient AC system as well. Another key point of our ventilation system, air handling system here at Jakarta MORI Tower, will be incorporating what's known as a MERV 13, M-E-R-V, MERV 13 air filter system. Quite unique in office towers. It'll ensure a higher air quality, both from particulate matter, but this type of ventilation system or filtration system has also been recommended recently by the CDC out of America and the ASHRAE Engineering Association as an effective measure in controlling the transmission of viruses, for example, via air systems as well. Again, it's not very common in office towers to have this type of filtration system, so again, a unique point of Jakarta MORI Tower, and that's a key aspect of our health and wellness WELL Core Gold certification. In addition to the standard office area on each floor plate, I'd like to show you some of the other facilities that come standard on all of our office floors as well. This way, please. All office floors will feature a common area, wet pantry area, such as this. All tenants on the floor would have access to this common area pantry. In addition to this, all office floor plates have a variety of both water supply points, drainage points, ventilation points and whatnot within the office premises itself. So it is possible for tenants to also install their own private wet pantry or even cafe facilities, light kitchen or whatnot as well is all possible within your office premises as well, in addition to the common area pantry itself. Okay, from the elevator hall as well into the back corridor, tenants do have access to the office premises from the back corridor as well. So whether it's for other divisions or for staff entrances as well, it's quite convenient in that sense to enter their premises from the back corridor. The back corridor itself is 2.1 meters wide with a tile flooring, so very open, very accessible traffic route here as well for tenants. Standard washroom facilities on all of our office floors incorporate a doorless entry, so it's a private entrance, discrete private entrance, but doorless to minimize the number of touch surfaces within the property. In the male washrooms, we have a total of 4 cubicles as well as 4 urinals. There's an ablution area here, as you can see. The cubicles incorporate Japanese Toto washlet style systems. This is standard on all of the office floors. Again, done in a simple light gray with wood tones. for the interior finish. So a very clean interior finish as well. The sink basins will incorporate touchless water faucets as well to minimize, again, the number of touch surfaces within the building. The female washrooms as well will have a similar design, the only difference being they will incorporate 6 cubicles within each of the office floor plates. All office floors will also incorporate multi-purpose, multi-access, accessible toilet facilities, washroom facilities here. These will also incorporate shower facilities, and this will be standard on all office floors. For tenants that occupy the full office floor, if they wish, they could designate this, for example, as a VIP washroom as well. So. We're currently in our presentation gallery here for Jakarta MORI Tower. Unfortunately, because the site visit itself is not possible, I will walk you through our mock-up gallery here as well, just to touch on some of the other features and specifications of the building for you. Here, as you can see, is a model of Jakarta MORI Tower. It'll be 266 meters in height, 58 stories in total. From basement 4 through to the 12th floor will be parking levels through here. On the 13th floor, the full floor plate, including the office tower portion, will be our F&B area. That'll be a total of 2,300 square meters on a net basis of F&B facilities. We're expecting to have 12 to 13 restaurant operations and whatnot within these facilities for tenants. It'll be the 13th floor as well as the 14th floor of this podium as well will be our F&B areas. As you can see, there's also an outdoor patio area, be some water features, some greenery as well. So good relaxation space as well as a break from the office. In the main tower from the 14th floor upward will be our office zone divided into 3 separate office banks. Again, the typical floor plate will be approximately 2,300 square meters on an SGFA basis. It's a side core structure, so very open floor plate design as well. Another key aspect will be, again, as mentioned, our dual access routes to the building. So we are directly on Sudirman, the main thoroughfare through the central business district. And we do have a secondary access route on the Ben Hill route as well. So in addition to convenience and accessibility to the building through dual routes, this will also help circumvent some of the traffic restrictions during rush hour periods that are common in Jakarta. Okay, for the location of Jakarta MORI Tower, Jakarta MORI Tower located here is on the Sudirman main road, which passes through the center of the central business district in Jakarta. We're adjacent to the Semanggi interchange, so our location is quite convenient. It gives good access to all areas of the city via the interchange. In addition, we are approximately 130 meters from the nearest subway station, so a 2 to 3 minute walk to the nearest subway station. So again, convenient access for tenants, accessibility to the building. Within the Golden Triangle, the central business district of Jakarta, Jakarta MORI Tower is located directly in the center. And again, via the Semanggi interchange, we do have good access to all areas of the city. It's approximately 30 kilometers to the airport, convenient access in that sense as well. So the building is very well located within the center of Jakarta. This is showing an overview of our access routes to the building. Again, off of Sudirman is the main drive-through, main road through the center business district. We will have direct access off of Sudirman to the building, as well as via the Ben Hill route as secondary access to the building, access and exit. We began our inspection from the drop-off point, so the vehicles will enter here or through the Ben Hill route. They'll go through a vehicle inspection point, security checkpoint, and then the drop-off point will be here where they enter the front office lobby. Traffic flows for vehicles, pedestrians, and loading surfaces are all separated to maintain a clean and smooth traffic flow. So traffic routes accessing on this side of the building, pedestrian routes through the center and backside, and then we do have a service access route on the far side of the building as well for deliveries. Again, the nearest MTR subway station will be approximately 130 meters to this side, approximately a 2 to 3 minute walk away from the site. As mentioned, the tower will be divided into 3 separate elevator banks, 3 separate office zones. Again, from basement 4 through to the 12th floor will be our parking levels. The 13th floor as well as the 14th floor of the podium will be our F&B areas, approximately 2,300 square meters of F&B space within the tower. And then from the 14th floor on upward will be our office areas. The building will incorporate 3 separate elevator banks. Serving the first and second elevator banks will be 8 elevators for each zone. And then serving the upper 10 floors will be 6 elevators. Again, the elevators are high-speed Mitsubishi elevators with a very efficient waiting time. During peak periods, typically 12 to 16 seconds. Notable point with the elevator system as well, that all tenants on all office floors will have direct access to the F&B floor from their office floors. So all elevators are able to stop at our F&B level on the 13th floor. So very convenient to quickly come down for your office for lunch or meals or whatnot at the F&B levels rather than transferring through the front lobby area. The zones, total areas, so for example, office zone 1 will be able to accommodate approximately 35,000 square meters of space. Office zone 2 will have 31,000, and then our third upper zone will have 23,000 square meters of office space available. This is a floor plan of a typical office floor plate within Jakarta MORI Tower. Standard office floor plates will have typically 2,300 square meters of office floor space, usable floor space. That's 2,300 on a STFA basis. Through the tower, that'll range between 2,100 to 2,300 on all office floor plates. As you enter from the elevator hall, it's a very open floor plan design. As I mentioned, it is a side core structure. Spans from the core wall to the perimeter are 18.5 meters. Then running along Serderman, 83 meters. On the far ends, spans of up to 22, 25 meters, so very open floor plate design. The columns run across the perimeter of the floor plate, so it leaves a very open, flexible floor plate for tenants to design modern workspaces and whatnot. All floor plates will have 3 stairwells as well as 3 service lifts. In addition to the male and female washrooms with ablution areas, all floor plates will also have a multi-purpose washroom, accessible washroom, including a shower facility. And for tenants who occupy the full floor plate, they can designate that, for example, as a VIP washroom if they wish to do so. All floor plates will incorporate a designated staircase cutout area. So it's quite convenient for tenants to install their own internal staircases if they choose to do so. There's no facilities below the floor plate in that area, so it's quite convenient for installation of staircases there. As mentioned, the floor loading for the standard floor plates is quite notable for the Jakarta market. Our standard floor loading in the light blue area is 500 kilograms per square meter, and then our heavy load zone surrounding the core has a floor loading of 800 kilograms per square meter. So again, quite unique for the market, and it attests to the overall quality of the structure and of the building itself. With the open floor plate design, again with the wide spans, unencumbered space with the perimeter steel columns and whatnot, structural columns, it's a very open floor plate design, enables tenants to design their workspaces as they need to. As mentioned, Jakarta MORI Tower will feature a very unique and flexible air conditioning system. So each floor plate will have between 30 to 33 individual VAV zones. And with these zones, tenants can control the operation of the AC system within these zones individually. So especially for tenants who have divisions or whatnot that are coming in early or working late, rather than turning on a half floor plate or full floor plate for their AC service, it is possible to control individual zones, so quite minutely, so quite efficient in that sense, and a very good energy and cost saving measure there. As well, the control of these VAV zones is done via an online interface, so tenants do not need to contact the management office in advance or whatnot. They can control it directly from their offices. via an online interface. And that's both extension of the AC services, adjustment of temperature within the zones as well, and whatnot. So again, quite unique and quite a special feature of Jakarta MORI Tower. Each office floor plate as well will incorporate a variety of water and service points throughout the floor plate. For example, chilled water, water supply, exhaust points, drainage points, AC ledges and whatnot. So very flexible if tenants, for example, wish to install a wet pantry within their office premises, cafe or lounge facilities, even perhaps a light kitchen, for example, is all possible within the floor plate. We do have, each floor plate does have 2 AC ledges, so if tenants wish to install their own AC packages for server rooms or additional cooling requirements, that is possible. Of course, the building does have a chilled water loop as well, so tenants are able to draw chilled water for additional cooling there as well. So again, very flexible for designs of the modern office in Jakarta. Okay, all office floor plates, again, will have a 3-meter ceiling height from the raised floor to the ceiling grid. It is a 10-centimeter raised floor. It's a Nichias product out of Japan. It's a glass reinforced concrete mortar raised flooring, so very solid raised flooring system. Of course, we'll incorporate low-E glass. As mentioned, the ceiling grid system is quite flexible, so for any internal partitioning that tenants do, it's quite convenient to adjust lighting, air management and whatnot within your offices as you design your facilities. It is possible to go with an open ceiling design as well for tenants who wish to do that. The ceiling grid will again incorporate LED lighting. It's a highly efficient Panasonic system, low flicker, so again for tenant comfort and whatnot, so the very high quality, energy efficient lighting system within the facilities. Jakarta MORI Tower will be incorporating high-speed Mitsubishi elevators. We'll be using a destination control system in coordination with a facial recognition system. As tenants and passengers pass through the security gate, the gate will direct them to the correct elevator that'll get them most efficiently to their desired floor. For tenants who are occupying multiple floors, it is possible for them as well to indicate within their zone which office floors they wish to go to via the touch panel within the elevator car. Again, it'll be a very efficient elevator system, high-speed Mitsubishi again. Typical waiting times or average waiting times during peak rush hour periods will range between 12 to 16 seconds. So a very efficient elevator system for tenants. Our 13th and 14th floor will feature our F&B areas. It'll be 2,300 square meters on a net basis of F&B facilities within the building. There will be some outdoor patio areas, water features, greenery as well, and whatnot. So a good area both for lunch, meals, after hours, as well as breakaway zone just to refresh and whatnot away from your office. Again, outdoor seating and whatnot will be incorporated. We're planning to have approximately 12 to 13 dining options within the F&B facilities. Surrounding the Ben Hill site, where the building is located, there are a variety of other dining options as well. So a good assortment both within the building and surrounding the building of dining options for tenants within the building. As part of the business continuity planning for Jakarta MORI Tower, we will feature dual power supplies from separate subsystems from the PLN public power utility. The building only requires a single power feed for full operation. However, we will have a second full feed for full redundancy on our power supply. What's unique with our dual feed system is that we will be fed by separate subsystems from the PLN public utility. There are other projects which may feature dual feeds. Those are typically from separate substations, which are closer to the project. Subsystems are further upstream, which provide a higher level of redundancy and protection for the tenants within the building. So again, a very unique point for our project here. In addition to the dual power feeds, we will also have full 100% generator backup available within the building. We'll have a total of 72-hour power supply, and again, that's for 100% backup for all facilities within the building. So again, very good redundancy on our power side for the project. The building structure of Jakarta MORI Tower will feature steel reinforced columns running the perimeter of the floor plate. That's in combination with a high-quality steel beam construction method. This is what enables the broad floor plate spans available within Jakarta MORI Tower. Again, 18.5 meters from the core wall to the perimeter columns here. And again, 83 meters, the full width of the floor. I think you'll find other grade A premium projects within Jakarta, typical floor spans will range between 12 to 16 meters. So our project here is quite unique in that sense for the openness and the flexibility of the floor plate design. The steel beams will incorporate a sleeve system as well. So for facilities, ventilation and whatnot, it is possible for them to run through the sleeves within the beam. This creates a cleaner ceiling system design as well. If tenants wish to do so, it is possible to utilize an open ceiling design as opposed to the ceiling grid that is installed. Again, all floor plates will have a 10 centimeter raised floor installed as well. High quality Nichias glass reinforced composite raised flooring system. Jakarta MORI Tower will be the first building in Indonesia to receive WELL Core Gold building certification. The WELL certification, it's focused on the health and wellness of workspaces for the tenants and people working within the building. So items such as air quality, water quality, lighting comfort and whatnot are all the core focuses of the WELL Core Gold certification. Again, we'll be the first in Indonesia to have this certification. As mentioned, our air systems in particular will be incorporating a MERV 13 air filtration system, which is quite unique for office towers. This will not only ensure clean air, low PM particulate matter levels. Recently, the CDC as well as ASHRAE engineering associations out of the US have also recommended this type of filtration system as effective in the control of the transmission of viruses and whatnot. So it's particularly relevant in the current office times. Other items such as lighting will be incorporating low flicker LED Panasonic lighting systems that'll balance with the natural daylight coming in as well to maintain a comfortable lighting level for tenants working within the building, lower eye strain and whatnot. Those are just some of the aspects of our WELL certification, but again, very unique for our project here in Jakarta. For our green building certification, Jakarta MORI Tower will feature the BCA Green Mark Platinum certification. So it'll be very energy efficient rating for the building. Highly efficient lighting and whatnot, comfortable air handling and humidity control. We'll be incorporating features such as our low-E glazed glass. Our multiple VAV zones enable high energy efficiency there, and enabling tenants to control the use of their AC systems. Be incorporating water-saving features in our water and washroom facilities and whatnot, the reuse of rainwater and grey water within the building as well. So again, a very good rating for our green sustainability levels within the building. Beyond just the market-leading specifications of Jakarta MORI Tower, it'll be a combination of our other features as well that will make the project unique within the Jakarta market and the premium prime location for our office tenants. Features such as our WELL building certification, again, will be the first project in Jakarta to have that. That's going to ensure a healthy and comfortable work environment for your employees. Our large open floor plates will enable a more flexible office design to suit your needs. Ideally, our VAV system, again, is quite unique in the Jakarta market and will improve your efficiency and cost control there. So a variety of features within the project beyond just the building specifications is what's going to make us stand out in the market. In addition to that, the building management will be led by MORI Building out of Tokyo. We do have a team here working with our local groups as well. So building management in Jakarta will be second to none for any of the projects. Just as a brief introduction to MORI Building itself as a company, MORI Building is one of the largest private real estate developers based in Tokyo, in Japan. We were founded in 1959. We currently have approximately 1.35 million square meters of office space under ownership and available for lease. Approximately just under 100 buildings. We do deal primarily in high-end, so premium office buildings, luxury residential. We do have high-end commercial retail facilities, cultural facilities such as the Suntory Concert Hall, MORI Art Museum, and whatnot. You may be familiar with our Shanghai World Financial Center, built in Shanghai, completed in 2008. At completion, that was the tallest building in the world at the time. Some of our other projects include, of course, Roppongi Hills, where our headquarters is located in Tokyo, Toranamon Hills, Otago Green Hills. Our first large-scale integrated development was Arc Hills, again in Tokyo as well. And again, we're focused on high-end residential, office space, commercial space, and whatnot. What's unique for MORI building as well is not just the quality of our buildings itself, but also the quality of our building management. In Japan in particular, it's quite easy to find other quality buildings, but what sets us apart is the quality of our building management. We own and operate all of the buildings that you see here and whatnot. So that's a key point of MORI building, and something unique that we're bringing to the Jakarta market here with our Jakarta MORI Tower. In summary, I just wanted to wrap up. I hope our virtual tour has given you some insight into our Jakarta MORI Tower project. Again, it'll be a premium grade A project, market leading here in Jakarta. Beyond just the specifications itself, again, the combination of features such as the floor plate, our health and wellness certification, which will be key to your employees working within the building, the flexibility of the floor plates, the efficiency of our AC systems and whatnot, our elevator systems and whatnot. The combined package, I think, will make us, and I think you'll agree, the quality prime location for multinational tenants here in Jakarta. We're very proud of our project. We're looking forward to its completion here coming shortly, and we're eager to attract you to our project. Thank you very much for visiting, and we hope to see you here soon.